Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please check Iraq latest and good news updates. Emphasizing the expansion of the geographical area of POS points of sale. The Governor of the Central Bank discusses supporting electronic payment. His Excellency the Governor of the Central Bank of Iraq, Mr. Ali Mohsen Al-Alaq, chaired a meeting that included representatives of this bank and a number of electronic payment companies operating in Iraq, in which they discussed ways to follow up on the project of spreading point-of-sale (POS) devices and digital transformation. The meeting reviewed the most important challenges facing the process of spreading point-of-sale (POS) devices and the importance of expanding the geographical area to cover all parts of the country, as well as solving the problems facing the use of bank cards and settling their amounts through the national exchange inside and outside Iraq. The governor stressed that the spread of point-of-sale devices has positive effects on the Iraqi street and that it is important to urge citizens to use bank cards instead of cash, and that it should be a priority for all electronic payment companies and banks, stressing the need to develop appropriate marketing plans to support digital financial inclusion in Iraq. And the Governor of the Central Bank, Ali Mohsen Al-Alaq, held a meeting to discuss ways to enhance the project to spread point-of-sale (POS) devices and digital transformation in the country, and it was attended by representatives of the central bank and a number of electronic payment companies active in the country. A statement issued by the bank, a copy of which was received by NRT Arabic, stated that the main challenges facing the process of spreading point-of-sale (POS) devices and the importance of increasing geographical coverage to include all regions of Iraq were discussed in the meeting. The statement added, the solution to problems related to the use of bank cards and the settlement of financial amounts through the national exchange inside and outside Iraq was addressed. Al-Alaq stressed the importance of the spread of point-of-sale devices and their positive impact on the national economy and the lives of citizens, noting the necessity of encouraging citizens to use bank cards instead of cash and making this a priority for electronic payment companies and banks. He stressed the necessity of developing appropriate marketing plans to support digital finance and financial inclusion in Iraq. And Iraq's oil minister, Hein Abdul Ghani, has unveiled the draft of an investment project for the Nar bin Umar gas field in Basra province. The project will be submitted for approval to the Ministerial Energy Council and later to the Cabinet. This announcement came during a meeting of the advisory body to discuss the project's draft, following a technical presentation by the committee responsible for technical and contractual aspects. The project aims to harness the gas resources from the Nar bin Umar field, with a capacity of 300 million cubic feet per day (mmcf). It will be executed in two phases, with 150 million monegasque francs dedicated to raw gas and 150 million monegasque francs for sour gas. Additionally, it will produce significant quantities of liquid gas and condensates. Deputy Prime Minister Hayam Abdulghani noted that this project will follow the build-own-operate-transfer model and will be implemented by international companies with expertise in the field. This initiative aligns with the government's strategy to enhance national gas production. Azam Jihad, the ministry's spokesperson, explained that the project encompasses the establishment of gas gathering stations, processing units, pipeline networks, reservoirs, power generation stations, and an export platform. This project aligns with the government's agenda to curb gas flaring, reduce environmental pollution, and convert gas into clean energy. It will satisfy a significant portion of local demand for dry gas for power stations and various industries. Furthermore, any surplus liquid gas and condensates will be exported, generating substantial financial revenues for the state treasury. And the Iraq Stock Exchange (ISX) traded equities valued at more than 4 billion dinars last week. A report of the market obtained by Shafaq news agency said, more than 3 billion equities were traded in the past week at a value of 4 billion dinars via 2,799 transactions. ISX 60 index closed at 810.71, 2.68% above the opening session's 832.41, the report said. It is noteworthy that Iraq Stock Exchange installed Central Depository and Electronic Trading Systems in 2009. It organizes 5 weekly sessions and lists 103 public companies from different economic sectors. Thanks, take care.